So I'm Mark Thomas from Goodhouse Architecture. We specialise in sustainable architecture. So Goodhouse really came to exist because of the perceived lack in our market for sustainable architecture that was low energy, zero carbon, affordable. Goodhouse 13 was a lovely project that we did in the hills. It was a very, very tricky site, and one of the challenges of Goodhouse 13 was to try and get as much solar access as we possibly could into the living areas, as well as give as much solar access as we could to the solar panels. So each Goodhouse is really important to be an all-electric home because of the technology that we now have available to us in solar panels and in inverters and in battery systems. We can actually have a house that is pretty much zero carbon and zero energy use when it's balanced out with those things. So Goodhouse 13 was always going to be a trick because of the site. It's very, very hilly, steep site, and it's got lots and lots of trees giving shading to the roof. So on site you can see that we've essentially punched the house into the side of the hill, raised it up into the trees as high as we possibly can, and in that position we're getting around about 70% effective solar access to our panels, which is fantastic. It was more than we thought. So Goodhouse 13 has got about a 6.6 kilowatt system with a 5 kilowatt inverter, and it's got a 10 kilowatt battery. Now we're in the process of getting some post-occupancy data done on that building. The evidence is showing already that the energy consumption will be well and truly met by the power generated on site.